Hello, I just came to the site for the last time before I leave for US tonight. So I'm doing documentary video of the things going on. The POP guys are still here. So I just climbed up the stairs, the first room upstairs. Here's the case room. They finish all the plasterboard work and the designs that corner mold. So they are going to polish it. When they do the Andre, they will polish it to finality. Because those guys are going to do Andre inside and outside of the building. They will do Andre to seal all the cracks in the building. To seal all the cracks. So this is the walk-in closet in the first case room. Upstairs, you see the corner molds are all done. They are all done. This is a view of the bedroom. So I'm going to the bathroom. First bathroom. I see the bathroom is also done. They've done the bathroom. They've done the bathroom. So these are the corner molds, and they will do the Andre. So this is the bathroom that needs a bathtub. There's two of them. Two bathrooms that need a bathtub. The bathtub will go here. You see where my leg is? Will go here, and this is where the drain will go, and to this end is the bathtub at the corner here, and they have their window, very big window, and yes, one of the guys is sleeping here. So I'm leaving the first room. All the wiring work. It's almost complete. They have a few things to come and do. Then the usher and guard guy will come, and another man, Mr. Arthur, solar guy. The three of them will work together to implement what I'm trying to do. I have to even call Mr. Arthur. He was here yesterday, but strangely Abu didn't show up, and the usher and guard guy are also here. Abu didn't show up, so they sat here and did a phone call with Abu, my phone, and discuss the things he has to do. So when they come, they just accomplish what we are doing. And then Mr. Arthur had me buy another equipment yesterday. He said I need that to be in between for them to, like down the road, if we want to do automatic switchover, we will need that box. But even today, we need it for the generator and the solar to be at one place to be able to switch that one. Yeah, so this is the second kid's bedroom. The second room, the corner mold, they will polish everything when they do the Andre. They will polish it. And I think they have to cut the spotlights that are on there. So I'm entering. Hey, Kobe, morning. Oh, don't mention it. Why? So he's one of the Masons. Very good guy. But he's scared of Ben to tell me stuff. So now we move all the things from the garage to my so-called Safo room with the toilet, because the garage looks like water comes in there, and the door there is not strong enough. Anybody can just break it and come and take everything. So the only thing left there is a few of the things they are using to what, and also the garage door, which is heavy, nobody can carry unless you bring a car. So these are all equipments. I came and I just bought them. And these are the Ghana toilets, the P-trap toilets. And this is some of the plumber stuff. So these four, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they are accompanying water tanks for the toilet. back there, the man is doing his farm. Oh, look at the air. I'm not feeling well today. I'm going to the master bedroom. So this is Sammy. Yeah, he's one of the guys who roofed the house. And the guy down there with the rewind basketball t-shirt is called Bernard. So this is the corridor, the hallway. I have to leave an opening here, so they will put like a hinge and a padlock, so we can always have access to the top. So this is the master bedroom. They are almost done. They are polishing it. So you guys will polish it again when you do the Andre, right?
No, after this one, painting.
Oh, painting. Yeah. So this is the last polishing.
Yeah.
But some of the rooms is not like oh, that one you will polish it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the master bedroom. You see, they are almost done. They are almost done. They are almost done. The guys are coming to do the screeding to cover all the electrical pipes that are here. They will do the screeding. The master bedroom walk-in closet is also done. They were working on it yesterday. Oh, the bathroom, they have the distance there, so they will do the corner mold for the master bathroom. Then they will do the. Hey, I have to talk to Efo because there's my boss. Hey, there's a problem with this thing, the sewage thing. You see, it's broken there. So he has to come and cut it and put something there. Is he down here? The biodigester guy.
Yeah.
He's here today? Okay, let me go and get him. Because if you guys do the screeding, it will be a problem. Yeah. This is the hallway. Kobe, I also mean Mawuli Kasa on toilet in a master bedroom. Efo bra. Also we are waiting on because somebody is screeding or master bedroom. On toilet there you know pie no. Obeyanda be on be screeding. Where no msisa o munyo call. Okay, ne be yemu o msisia. That is Efo over there. Mawuli. Morning. So I'm doing my last video. Then take some pictures and vamos. They have to do here all. And they will go to the basement to do the corner molds, polish, and the Andre. Done the screen here. Has to come and meet. Hey, Ata, morning, at design. So this is the office. This is the office. This is the office. Some bird has made its nest at the back of the air conditioning wires. So this is the office. This is the office. So the office screening has been done. The bath, the kitchen, they haven't done the corner molds. They will do it and polish the top. The POP. So the store too is not done. Those guys should do because they are sleeping here. They are not like Ben. They want to do and get their money and leave. Start from screening. This is the 1,100 cedis charcoal. That turned out to be 98 cedis. Oh, they've started doing screening here. So this is the visitor room. You remember the visitor room, which has a porch. I think the porch there, or they've done it. And they've done the screening. Yeah, they're supposed to do screening here also. We've done the corner wall. We still have 2 sections to do for the corner wall. 2 sections. So this is the biodigester. This is soak away. Soak away. Another soak away for the toilet. I will discuss with you guys when I get to US something they are telling me about the biodigester. I know the ones that I've seen people use in Arizona. What these guys are telling me is completely different from it. My auntie Amokwadu will raise it that I be aware this when I get back. That you can't put a toilet roll in the tent. So you have to burn your toilet roll, or the thing won't work effectively, which is a surprise to me. Because they are saying the chemical cannot burn the toilet roll. It can burn the poop, but not the toilet roll. So then it fills up quickly, and it defeats the whole purpose of having it for 5 years. And it blocks the thing, and the chemical doesn't work. So I don't know. So this is the half bath, and this is the original garage, which they finished. The bathroom too. I think the soap container thing that they put on the wall, they are saying I should buy it from the US because the ones here are not good. For them to cut the wall and place it in there so it can fit soap. So we are going to have 2 in the master bedroom, 1 for the shower and 1 for the jacuzzi, where you can place your soaps or whatever you want to do there. And all the other rooms with toilet and bath. So this is the electrical room. This is the electrical room. They haven't done the living room because they have to do the screening. Today I came and gave the guys 3,500 cedis. They said 4,000 for them to buy Wawa board for. They will come down here or to do the corner walls. The Wawa board is for scaffolding because the scaffolding we have is not enough, and the one they rent, the pieces they want every day is 600 cedis, and they will need it for the back or just the hall there. They will need it for 3 days, so it's 1,800. Then after that, if you are using it for the back, so I look at it and it doesn't make sense to do that. So we decided to get our own. Oh, this place is dark. Okay, so this is the basement. Yao and his family, they are not here. So that is their doorway. That's where they have the bedroom and the toilet. So I've moved the wires here. The wires is almost finished. I think when the guy said I will need it all, I thought he was lying. The wires is almost finished. But I move it here from the garage because I can't trust the garage. So this kitchen, or they have to do the screening thing over there. And I think they have to dress their outer window here. You see some small peep light coming through. Is the outer thing. So this is how the garage looks now. You still have stuff they are using for corner mold and the POP cement and things like that. Then these are all stuff that I bought. All stuff that I bought. See, for the corner mold. This is a machine for electricals that I bought 17,500. 3-phase 30 kVA. Automatic voltage regulator. The cement. This is the garage door. They said they will bring the company and give me the estimate, but some company can do it. The individuals, they can't do it, they will mess it up. And then you are trying to get everything out of this garage, because we cannot ensure safety, security down here. So, alright. So I'm gonna go upstairs and go to the biodigester guy. You have to come and plaster down here, or use the switch. One is light, one is fan. I think it's too light. These are all the wires, the wiring job they have done. I'm not well, that's why it's like I don't have enthusiasm. Oh, they'll come and do here, or the almighty roof. They are missing one light. They can't find which half it goes supposed to go through for us to have a complete set of lights in the living room. They're moving the blocks upstairs to do the bathroom, what I just suggested. So hot. We have the coconut here, coconut there, mango tree over there, scasia tree or whatever it's called. These two of them. I think the orange tree is coming up. The Hamatan season is in full swing. 7 a.m. is 88 degrees Fahrenheit here. So this is plantain. Into the case, this is how plantain comes about. See, the plantain plant, and this come on. And when it's ready, they'll cut it down to be harvested. The back of the house. This is where I'm planning to do the outside kitchen. The outside kitchen, somewhere here. They have to put on more wall because the wall is too short. The wall is too short. This is the back of the house. What is this white? Is it for the TV? So all the rooms have been wired for TV. So this is the outlet for the TV. So if you have satellite, it will be somewhere here. Man, they have to cut this thing with sword from here. So this is the kitchen door. This place is a mess. You have debris, things all over. The biodigester, that is the soak away for water. Soak away for water. All right, I'm entering through here to go to the kitchen. See, the screeding is done. And I'll go to the right elevation. The right elevation. The storeroom. So all the wires. This is the kitchen. This is the almighty pot filler. So that means the gas cooker has to set here. Because this is the almighty pot filler. Address almighty pot filler. So I'm going to the right elevation side. The double door. Hey, I have to talk to Bernard. I think he said they will use the POP to smoothen the pillars, right? Yeah, so that they all look the same. Yeah, because it's like they bought different Greek pillars or Corinthian columns. Here's the front. This is the master bedroom porch. The area is also done. Now it looks like we have to get rainwater. So Sammy will do, what do you call it? They will do estimate because the rains are falling on the walls, which will make moles come on the walls. So I think the conclusion is we have to do rainwater. Hello, Efo. We have to do rainwater to get the water out because the water is falling on the walls. Look, all these places. You see the moles? A lot of moles here. Rainwater. Gutters, rain gutters. But now we have to. Yes, the other side, yeah, the other side is a mole. So this is their kitchen. The Fiora people hanging out there, two of them. So this is the biodigester. This is where the chemical will burn the toilet. Then the water will come into this soak away. And then soaks to the ground. I was telling him we have to make a way that in future if there's a gutter in front, we can take the water there. And then he was disputing that this place is rocky, it will go to the ground. So this is this water from the house, from kitchen, from bath and everything. This is where it will come to. And that's their soak away. This is their room, their window. They have two windows, right? One here. If they have two windows, right? Yeah, and there's another one here. So two windows. This room have two windows. And the kitchen window is a smaller one. Now the window estimate I've got, it ranges from 115,000 And the second one is 106,000. This is the garage window. And the third one is 100 and almost 102,000 windows, cities for the windows. All right, folks, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. I'll take pictures, then head to Jume's place. Waiting for Ben to be here. This morning he made me yell at him because that guy, some of the things he's doing is not right. Okay, see you all in a bit. Bye bye.